So I'm back at the chicken house again, and this one corner of the chicken house has been damaged by a storm at one point or another. So instead of fixing it, I'm actually going to just go ahead and remove it. And I've got a cool articulating boom that I rented to help me with this job. So my goal is to just actually saw with a skill saw all the way across, and then use the lift to help move it out of the way. It's super thin sheet metal, so it's not really safe to walk on. Otherwise I would just go up there and just start sawing away. But with it being 50 plus year old metal roofing, I'm not going to take my chances. But so this is what we're looking at here. So as you can see, the storm actually hit this pretty hard at one point or another, and now there's some rotting going on because it's been missing part of the roof for some time. So instead of trying to repair it, I'm just going to remove it, because there's so much, I mean, there's so much structure here, it's not really worth saving. I don't need to worry about saving every last square foot of this structure.